Welcome to the Generic Tech Support YouTube channel, home of the Granite security package. Like and subscribe for more content. Hey guys, I want to show you today how to install snaps on a Linux Mint system. If you're like me and you like to play games, then you maybe have the desire to play Minecraft, even though it's the older Java version on your Linux system. And if I click on install on this particular system, or decide I'm going to view in the desktop store, we're going to see that I don't have snap support enabled because it doesn't open on our Linux Mint system. And you think to yourself, well, you know what? Just because the store is not installed doesn't mean that we don't have snap installed. So I could just open up a terminal. I could paste this in and it should install. But snap command is not found. So what do? I'm going to show you how to do this. It's really pretty easy. There's literally only 3 commands you'll have to run in order to get this to work. So the first command we're going to actually have to run here is to move the nosnap preference to a backup location. That'll give Mint the ability to install the snap store on the system through the apt repository. So we're just going to hit enter, and that's it. We're not going to get any errors, we're not going to get any prompts, nothing will pop up. This is totally normal. So at this point, it's relatively straightforward. All we'll have to do is do sudo apt update. And again, it's all lowercase in the command line. At this point, what we'll have to do is we'll install the snap package. So we'll just do sudo apt install snap d, as in David, and hit enter. So now at this point, we actually can install this package. We can install the snap of Minecraft. However, we don't have the store yet installed on our system. So if we want to install the store, what we'll have to do is we'll do sudo apt update to update it again, because we did make a system change. And now what we'll need to do is install the snap store. And to do that, we'll do sudo snap install snap hyphen store for store, and we'll hit enter. So at this point, the system's going to download the snap store. Once the snap store has completed its installation, at this point you would think you could go to the start menu and type in snap and actually see the snap installer, but you can't, because in Linux Mint it requires a reboot. However, you can still install the actual package without doing a reboot as long as you don't need to use the GUI. And then to do that, all you have to do is copy the command line and literally just paste it in, and we can hit enter. And we'll see that the snap is now going to install the Minecraft installer on our particular system. Now, after the system reboots, then you can go into the start menu and you can access the store, or you can click the view and store on the desktop right here and it'll open the store on the desktop. However, you do need to do a reboot in order for that to pop up. Hopefully this was helpful. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching the Generic Tech Support YouTube channel. Find the content of this video at https://generictechsupport.com/channel.